You rise higher by lifting others along the way. The greatest strength is found in the gentlest acts. Life tests you to reveal the strength you never knew you had. The best way to predict your future is to create it. Every obstacle is a stepping stone in disguise. Your past doesn't define you. It prepares you. Patience turns chaos into clarity. Even broken wings can learn to fly again. True wealth is found in the relationships you nurture. The storms you endure prepare you for the calm that follows. Courage is the bridge between fear and freedom. Every unanswered question is an invitation to explore. Your journey is yours alone. Comparisons only steal your joy. The harder the climb, the better the view from the top. A quiet mind hears the loudest truths. Hope is the seed that blooms in the soil of adversity. Every choice you make is a step toward the person you're becoming. The only thing standing between you and your dreams is effort. Strength isn't measured by muscles, but by the will to keep going. Happiness grows where gratitude is planted. You cannot change the past, but you can rewrite its meaning. What you fear facing is often what will set you free. A calm heart creates a peaceful life. Success is built on the lessons failure leaves behind. You find yourself when you stop looking outside and turn within. Every moment is a chance to begin again. Strength is the ability to smile through the tears. The only way out of fear is through it. Even the tallest trees were once tiny seeds. Forgiveness doesn't erase the past. It frees the future. You are not defined by what happens to you, but by how you respond. The most beautiful things grow in the toughest conditions. Time spent improving yourself is never wasted. Your story isn't over. The next chapter is unwritten. You carry the power to turn endings into beginnings. Every small act of kindness creates ripples of change. Strength is found in the quiet resolve to keep going. The mind is a garden. What you plant grows. Your dreams deserve the same effort as your doubts. Every challenge you face is an opportunity to rise. The only permission you need is your own. What you nurture within will bloom in the world around you. Pain teaches what comfort cannot. You grow stronger every time you refuse to give up. The most powerful weapon is a determined mind. Your actions today are the seeds of your future. When you let go of fear, you grab hold of freedom. A single step forward can silence 1,000 doubts. The greatest truths are often hidden in the simplest moments. True strength is the courage to be vulnerable. The beauty of life is found in its imperfections. Your resilience is your superpower. What you focus on grows. Choose wisely. Your best teacher is your last mistake. When you embrace change, you embrace growth. Strength lies in bending, not breaking. The darkest nights birth the brightest stars. To heal is to give yourself the love you once gave others. Your silence can speak louder than their words. Greatness isn't found in what you take, but in what you give. The courage to begin is the secret to success. Your heart knows what your mind fears to accept. Even in failure, you are moving closer to success. You don't need permission to chase your dreams. Resilience is rising each time the world tries to keep you down. The path may be steep, but the summit is worth the climb. Every act of kindness adds light to the world. Your perspective shapes your reality. A fulfilled life is one lived with intention. Your journey matters more than their opinions. Every goodbye makes space for a new hello. Peace begins when you let go of control. Strength is knowing when to fight and when to let go. Even in chaos, you can find your center. The voice of doubt fades when drowned by the roar of belief. Every fall teaches you how to rise better. Success grows in the soil of perseverance. Your light shines brightest when you share it with others. The hardest battles prepare you for the greatest victories. Even the longest storms must come to an end. Your courage inspires more than you realize. The strongest roots grow in the harshest winds. A heart filled with gratitude leaves no room for fear. Every moment of doubt is a chance to choose faith instead. The greatest power is mastering yourself. Hope is the quiet force that keeps you moving forward. Even the smallest progress is worth celebrating. Your past is a chapter, not the entire story. Every choice shapes the person you're becoming. Strength is found in what you refuse to give up on. Your dreams grow when watered with belief. Even the heaviest burdens become lighter with time. The only way to fail is to stop trying. Your scars are proof that you chose to heal. A kind word can echo for a lifetime. The bravest step is the one taken into the unknown. True beauty is found in the courage to be authentic. Every setback is a setup for a greater comeback. Your potential is greater than your fear. The story you tell yourself becomes the life you live.